Prairie Road Organic Seed. I'm Theresa, and this week I'm going to show you how we do spring cleaning in our gardens. We've used a deep mulch garden system for decades, patterned after Ruth Stout's no-work garden. There's a thick layer of mulch between the rows in a 4 to 6 inch mat. This mulch system has lots of advantages for the quality of the soil, the main one being the reduced need for tillage. To prepare for a new growing season, all we have to do is mow whatever is left standing after the winter snows did their work. For this task, we use a DR field and brush mower, which takes care of the corn stalks and all. We mow both gardens, the flower beds, and the asparagus patch. One of the cardinal rules of our deep mulch system is that we never remove any of the old growth. It just adds more mulch. If you have a healthy system with healthy soil microbes and a good ecological balance, there's really no need to remove anything. The mulch is there to control weeds, keep the sun's rays from baking the soil, help conserve moisture, and feed the earthworms and the soil microbes as they wake up to help us begin the cycle anew. After this chore is done, the garden is ready for a new season. A day or two before a new row is to be planted, we move the mulch aside to open the row to the sun's warmth. Then, when we're ready to plant, the only tillage we employ is a hoe to loosen the soil in the row to be planted. With the mulch in place, we only need to control any weeds that are in the row. We don't need to prepare the seed bed or incorporate organic matter or add any fertility or soil amendments. The earthworms and the microbes do all the work. No work gardening. Well, there is still work to be done, just less of it. And we do add another layer of mulch every year. To see that process, check out our deep mulch no-till garden video. And here's the asparagus patch waiting for the new spears to appear. And this is the garden, a fresh canvas for a new season.